Hello everyone, my name is Alok. I'm father of 2 boys, 9 trees, husband to one of the most beautiful princesses of the world. I'm an engineer, an MBA, an entrepreneur, traveler, author, blogger, podcaster, a parenting expert, and a business enthusiast for the last 18 plus years. And I'm here on a mission to help 3 kinds of people. Number 1, people who do have an expertise and want to create a business out of that. Number 2, people who already have a business in an offline mode, they want to move into an online mode of business. And number 3, people who do have a business on an online or an offline mode, but they're not able to upscale or grow. So I'm here as a business coach helping you create a special business strategy for your business and upscale your business in multifolds. So my single motto is very simple: simplifying business and amplifying success. To do this, I'm going to talk about business, and today I'll be talking about what a business is. So a business is an exchange of product or service against money, in which both the parties, the buyer and the seller, is happy. So a deal or a business is only supposed to be a good deal or a good business when both the people, both the parties, they find value in both of them, right? So you get a product or you get a service, you pay for it, and you are really happy that you have done a deal in which your motive is solved, and the seller is also happy that he is getting some profits, right? That is how a business is defined. But you know what? The thing is not the thing which we assume to be the thing. Make a note. The thing is not the thing which we assume to be the thing. The thing is something different, right? So when I say that this business is an exchange of product or service, that means there is something behind it as well, right? So what is that thing? The thing is the pain. You are going to find a solution through that product or service. That is why you are going to that particular product or service. So you want to upgrade yourself. You want to be the better version of yourself. You want to have a solution to the problem you have. And that is how a business starts. And there is a definition of a need and a demand. And that is how the fundamental of a business is. I tell there are only 2 reasons behind it. 1, either it is a need, or 2, it's a fear of not having something. So a business can be classified in various formats, various words, but primarily, if you ask me, I define as a business to the solution to a problem. If you have a solution, there is a problem, and if there is a problem, you are going to pay for it. That is what a business is. So for today, this is the only thing which I wanted to talk to you. I'll be coming with several other topics related to business and different fundamental concepts of it. Keep watching, keep interacting with me. I'm there as a business coach, and you can find me at all the social media channels by Business Coaching by Alok. See you.